Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about circles. You know, the picture of coins, the clock, the wheel are in the shape of the circle. A circle is a simple closed curve on which every point is equal distance from a fixed point inside the center. That is, circle means a closed figure bounded by a curved line. It has a fixed point in the center. Then from this center to the circle, the distance is same in everywhere. The center to this point and center to this point is always equal. Then this figure is called a circle. Next, the part of a circle. That is, the first part is the center. Center means the fixed point is the center. Then this point to every point on the circle is equal. Therefore, this point is called the center of the circle. That is, figure is given. There's one circle is given here, one activity. Then it is fold for one time. Then secondly, fold in this quarter form. Then you open it. These two lines meet this point. That is a two lines you get. Then the two lines are meet at the point is called the center. The point where the two creases meet is called the center of the circle. These two creases meet the point is called the center. And this portion, that is, this one is a complete circle. It is folded one time. Then this portion showing this shape is called the semicircle. That is, a half of the circle is called a semicircle. Next, radius. Then the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is always same. You know, the distance from the center of the circle to any point is equal. That is, I told you above, that is the center of the circle to any point on the circle is equal in distance. That distance is called the radius. That is, a center to this point, center to this point, center to this point, and this point is always equal. This distance is called the radius. Then the plural form of radius is radii. And the next, diameter. Diameter is the 2 radius. Diameter means 2 radius. Diameter. The diameter of a circle is line segment passed through the center of the circle and both the end points lies on the circle. AB is the diameter of the above circle. That is, A is a radius, OB is a radius, but AB is a diameter of the circle. That is, the line passed through the center of the circle and the end points are lies on the circle. Then it is called a diameter. That is, diameter is the twice the radius and radius is half of the diameter. Here diameter is twice the radius of the circle. That is, the formula is diameter equal to 2 into radius. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. That is, radius is half of the diameter. Diameter equal to twice the radius. Next, chord. A line segment whose end points lies on the circle is called a chord. Line segment, chord is a line segment. Its end points are lies on the end of the circle. End of the circle. That is, then the diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. That is, the diameter is same. It is a line segment. Its 2 points, end points are lies on the circle. So, diameter is the longest chord. Next is the circumference. The length around a circle is called a circumference. The length around the circle is called a circumference. That is, this length pass through the end. The one person is walking through the edge of the circle, then total distance is called the circle. That is the length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference. Next, construction of a circle. How to draw a circle? Then we use to draw a circle with using a compass. Then you take a compass. Then you take a compass and a ruler, that is your scale. Take the 4 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Then you put the compass and pencil fixed in the compass and take the distance. Then this same as this one. Then 4 centimeter take in the compass using your scale, and compass is fixing here, and you move the circle around it. Then you will got a circle for 4 centimeter radius. Next, name the parts of the given circle. That is, one circle is given, AOB is a diameter, OD is a radius. Then you can write radius. Which is the radius? OD is the radius, OB is the radius, and OA is the radius. Then chord. Chord is AB. Then center of the circle, O. Next, diameter of the circle. That is, AOB is the diameter, radius is OA and OB. Then chords. Chords are CD and EF. Next, center of the circle. That is, the fixed point is the center, radii. 2 radii. This plural is given. Radii means OQ and OP. Diameter is QP. Then next picture, center is O, radii are OP, OQ, OR. Diameter is PQ. Next question, radius equal to 5 centimeter, diameter equal to, radius is given, diameter means twice the radius, 2 times the radius. 2 times means 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Next question, diameter is 12 centimeter, that is, you will find the radius. Radius is half of the diameter, that is 12 divided by 2. Half of the 12, that is 6 centimeter. Label the parts of the adjoining circle. You can give one name, then center O, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R. Given this figure in one name and write the parts, that is radius, diameter, chords, etc. Next, draw the circle of the following radius. You take this measurement in your compass and draw a circle in your copy.